Are you trying to remove a seat on the E90 or an E60 that does not have fold down seats? Here's how to do it real quick. The first step of removing the seat and the seat back is to remove the seat bottom. The seat bottom is as simple as just grabbing the bottom here and pulling up until you hear the pop. Once you've popped up the bottom on both sides, there's a latch under each of the sides. You can pull it up and slide it out and feed out the seatbelt buckles through the bottom. Before you do that, you want to make sure you take the T50 Torx out of the bottom bracket of the seat. This is the latch that's holding the seat in. As you can see here, it's just a standard latch as if it would have had fold down seats. The latch moves to the side. Let me show you how to do it. As you can see here, this latch doesn't have a traditional mechanism here. It's just a circle with this little nub right here. What you want to do is get on the inside of that nub using this piece here as a lever, and you turn the latch. When you turn that latch, that is moving this piece here open. Then you can push the seat while you're doing that, and that will allow you to push the top of the seat loose. To reinstall, it's just as simple as pushing the seat back into that latch, making sure your hooks here are back into the holes, and then you put your bolts back in.